जी हाँ, पाकिस्तान सुपर लीग की रौनकें जो है वो जारी हैं और जनूबी अफ्रीका के सुपरस्टार जेपी डोमिनी जो है वो भी दुबई पहुंच चुके हैं। जेपी, वेलकम टू द PSL. So we're excited for the PSL extend and obviously your performance with Islamabad United.
Yeah, very excited to be here. Thank you. Obviously, this is my first edition of PSL, so I'm very excited to meet the owners, the players, and the support staff. Yeah, and hopefully that I can fulfill my duty in putting in big performances for the team. I mean, one thing you know about subcontinent teams is that they're always going to produce good spinners. So it's going to be a good test for me. As you mentioned, I've played quite a few times here in the UAE, played against Pakistan, played against India recently, facing some good spinners. So it's going to be a good test, and I'm looking forward to the challenge. Yeah, hopefully I can do you guys proud. I'm looking forward to representing Islamabad United, and thank you for all the support that you've shown over the last 24 hours regarding my arrival here in Dubai. Really appreciate it, and hopefully, as I said, hopefully I can do you guys proud. So thank you.
Thank you, JP, and all the best for the PSL.
Thank you.
Thank you.